Tahu kawan, ini cappuccino. Cappuccino. Ilang man sa water? Ilang on? I want to choose cappuccino. Like that. So at first, you will see the milk. Later on, just coffee. Sorry, if I like. See, there's coffee. Love if you want. Okay, that's done. One cappuccino. Another cappuccino? All cappuccino?
Maybe green tea for Alina?
Huh?
Or all cappuccino?
I don't know. What? Anong iba? Latte macchiato?
Bawal sa kanya. Latte. Sabihan.
Anong bawal ka rin? Baka milk.
Bawal sa kanyang coffee.
Milk na lang siya.
No. Green
Huh?
tea.
Milk?
Green tea.
We don't have green tea here.
Other side. Hot water lang.
It's all the same. Hot milk?
Sige, all coffee na lang.
Or latte?
Latte.
Latte?
Ah.
Okay, we'll separate the latte. This is cappuccino. Come closer. Ito sila nga ginawa niya. So these are the options or the choices. They have espresso, a doppio, triple espresso, coffee cream, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and cafe latte. They also have milk. So all you have to do is
That's the price. Unlimited.
this is by the way bottomless or unlimited. You can come again to get another coffee. So all you have to do is to put here the cap and press whatever you want it. This is the I think I'm gonna coffee cream. I'm gonna try this.
Empty? Empty? I think it's an empty.
Coffee cream. Empty?
No.
There is.
It's
It
black.
cannot be empty. There is coffee. Too small. You can put one.
Yes, it's unlimited. You can make it full.
You can take it twice if you want.
This is
Hindi ma, isinapayan.
yeah.
Isa mo, ako babalikan lang. Cappuccino, tatlong cappuccino.
Ah.
Steering rod. Kung ama sa steering rod. Steering rod.
Yes.
Ang liit ng laman.
Yes.
Ay,
Hindi ka daw makaantay eh. Yan. Saan ang dali? Pwede na balik ka. Nang swiso, mingilon to.
Ito nomor makapulog. Wala, isipuan ko na akala ko na buwan. Akala ko na
Mingilon to sor ko ni Kuya Al.
Bila ko minum ko sa cappuccino, kumanga na siya eh. Big and active siya eh. Hindi ko lang ay small. Ha? Small lang. Uy, itong grabe.
Okay na?
Saka mila.
Ilan?
Ilan pa naman yan?
Sa'yo po na sa
Puro sweet. I used to like this, pero bawal sa akin yung mga sweets. Kaya dito ako sa mga salad.
Yan ang bawal sa akin. Ito yung atin.
Mashed potato. That's mashed potato, right?
Potato na yung bawal sa akin. Ano to?
Sarap na sarap.
Ano na ito na?
Para yung ano.
Ayan si Alinor, nag-refill siya.
Ano sa'yo?
Cappuccino. So, ayan ang mga option. Cappuccino. Pag walang ilaw, yung dalawa doon walang ilaw, yung sabihin, ubos na. So, they also have cold drinks. This is the cold drinks. Kalas? Wait. And then yung ano, parang